Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, good morning. Again, I'm here and today I'm going to tell you something different. As of now, my topic is really different. I have seen so many people are saying that, I'm having a job offer letter through one of the company in Canada, but that and they are in very much dilemma that whether that job offer is actually fake or original, how they can able to recognize it. Because so many people, because you can say that job offer people are, because 90% of 90% you can say that job offer are actually fake one. So how you can able to recognize it, in this video I'm going to tell you that. And actually why people are getting that fake job offer letter, there is a reason behind the same, a very important aspect, and this reason is actually Canada itself. Why reason? Because actually Canada is in need, as you know, and Canada is having so many retiring person as of now, lack of youth, and that is the main reason some fraudsters are taking advantages of taking of this situation. And what they are doing is they are providing a fake offer letter in return of your hard earned money, and this is really very bad thing, and that is the reason I'm here going to tell you, so that you can able to get rid of that and you can able to recognize that fake job offer letter. So here we go. So first of all, I'm giving you 3 to 4 things which you can able to check it out whether you will getting that job offer letter, and that actually you can able to recognize by your own itself. You don't need to go anywhere, whether to check that offer letter is fake or original. So first thing, if I can tell you, in that job offer letter, first of all you need to check it out whether salary range mentioned in that job offer letter is up to the mark or not. Means, as per your profile, as per your NOC code, whether in Canada, what is the salary range of that particular profile. First of all, just check it out through the portals, job portals in Canada. You can say government job portals also, you can able to check, like Job Bank, Indeed Canada, Monster Canada. You can able to check it out your profile, what is the exactly salary range of your particular profile. So through this you can able to get to know, so that the salary mentioned in that job offer letter, is it the same under comes under salary range or not. Because that is, in that way you can able to recognize. Secondly, first of all, it is very really very important thing to know that that job offer letter must be on the company letterhead only. If your job offer is not on the company letterhead, and if there is no proper header or footer with company address, phone number, email address, and if there is no stamping for the particular company, then obviously this you can able to think about the same, that whether this kind of job offer it's fake or original, right? So thirdly, if I can check about, obviously Canada is the English country, very well. So obviously they will not they will not provide you a job offer letter with grammatical mistakes, right, or spelling mistakes, you can say that. So if you can able to see any grammatical mistakes, spelling mistakes and all, and if their format of letter is very much different, it's like, then you can able to recognize that yes, this offer letter is fake. But the most important thing that you can able to recognize that job offer letter is fake or original is, without, just think about the same with your own mind itself now, that without any face to face interaction, without having a interview with you, without judging you, that you can able to do that particular job in Canada, how any employer can able to hire you? without seeing you, without knowing that you can able to do that work or not. How can any employer can provide you a job offer letter, and with that much of good salary? How? So just think about the same, and you can able to get an answer by yourself itself. So hope I have clarified your concern. You can able to check it out these things. If you have any further concern, you can able to comment me in comment section. I'll definitely provide you with a brief explanation, and I'm trying to help you out all, because I know the value of hard earned money. I don't want that you can able to put your money in anywhere without taking a proper knowledge about the same. So as of now, I'm just going to end this video. If you like this video, kindly like this video, subscribe my channel, and share my video to your friends as well, so that they can also able to get to know about the same. And for as of now, happy Ramadan to all of you. Today is the first day of the Ramadan, and I'm very happy. This is the Pak month, and hope just I'm just giving you one uh, I just want to request you all one thing, that please do pray at your home only. Be safe, and दुआ में याद रखिए. For as of now, शब ख़ैर, सत श्री अकाल, take care.